what we need, what we want, and how to get it. Think about that. What do you really need? Shelter, food, rest. What do you want? You want the image. You want the business. You want to travel. You want to make products, services. You want to be a owner, an investor, you know. And how to get there. How do you get to that situation? Grind it. When you want something, you'll seek it. You'll find knowledge. You don't make excuses, you just make a way. Okay, I can't eat like I normally was eating, so now I got to eat ramen noodle soups. Okay, it's cool. This is only temporary. Sometimes you got to hustle like that, and that's how you get there. You got to make steps. You got to make sacrifices. Hold on.